students, welcome to your BBPS e-learning class. I hope you all are well, staying safe at home. This is your English period. I'm your English teacher. You all know that we are studying from our English word book, lesson number 1, Nani's Walk to the Park. Today we will do 3 exercises from page number 4 and 5. You have to fill the exercise in the book only. Dear students, start the work and show it to me in the WhatsApp group. Dear students, you all know that we are studying from our English word book. Today we will study from page number 4 and page number 5. So, write down classwork, put the date, that is 9th April 2021 classwork. It should be mentioned in your book, okay? Now, exercise A. Circle the proper nouns and underline the common nouns in the given sentences. One has been done for you. Students, you all know what are proper noun. Proper noun are those nouns which start with the capital letters, and special names of people, place, animal or things are called proper noun, and it always begins with a capital letter like Vedant, Red Fort, New Delhi, Raj, Riya, Rishabh, Sunday, Monday, January, February, March, April. They all are examples of proper noun. And then common noun means boy, girl, man, woman. Common names given to every person, place, animal or thing of the same kind. They are called as common nouns. Like a sparrow sits in a tree. Students write in their notebook. Which notebook? It can be any notebook. English, maths, history, geography, anything. Students, it can be a boy or a girl. Her name would be Riya or his name would be Raj, anything. Okay, let's do the exercise. First one has been done for you. Number 1. Rohan likes to play football and eat banana. Rohan is a proper noun, so it is circle, and football is common noun and banana is common noun, so we have underlined. Shrishti and Anuradha are friend. Shrishti and Anuradha are proper nouns, so circle it. Friends, they are common noun, so we have to underline. Third one, Riya takes her dog Coco to the park every day. Riya and Coco are proper nouns, so circle it, students. And dog is a common noun, so underline it. Fourth one, a bee bit Samir on his leg. A bee is a common noun and Samir is a name of a person, so it is a proper noun, so you have to circle it. Now fifth one, mother left her keys on the table. It can be anybody's mother. Mother is a common noun, keys is also common noun, table is also common noun, so students underline it. Now sixth one, there was ice cream in the fridge. It can be any ice cream, it can be any company fridge. So underline ice cream, underline fridge, because they are common noun. Seventh one, the Qutub Minar is a monument in Delhi. Qutub Minar and Delhi are proper nouns, so we have to underline it. Monument is a common noun, so we will put a underline on it. Eighth one, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born in Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu. APJ Abdul Kalam, Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. These 3 are proper noun. We have to circle it. Now we will come to the another exercise. That exercise are from with collective nouns. Collective nouns are used to indicate a group of persons, animals and things. right? A bouquet of flowers, a pack of wolves, a school of fish. They are in group forms. Okay. Now do the exercise. B1. Match the given collective nouns with the correct words. Number 1. A cloud of dust. A flock of sheep. A gang of thieves. A shower of rain. A string of pearls. A chest of drawers. A collection of coins. And a bowl of rice. Students, don't do it in a crisscross manner. Do it like this in the numbering system. Okay? Now come to the third exercise. It is gender nouns. What is gender? There are two types of gender, masculine and feminine. What is masculine? Masculine means male gender, means boy, father, son. They all come under masculine gender. Our feminine gender means girl, woman, daughter, female one. They are feminine gender nouns. See. Now exercise is identify the nouns given in the help box as masculine or feminine gender nouns. List them in the correct columns to have been done for you. This is a box in which we will find the genders of whether they are masculine or feminine. 2 has been done. First one is groom, and the feminine is bride. Then masculine is wizard, feminine is witch. Then landlord, landlady, bull, cow, lion, lioness, nephew, niece, policeman, policewoman, sir, madam. Right? They are written in masculine gender nouns and they are written in feminine gender nouns. That's all for students. Do it in your English word book only. Okay? Don't make a separate copy for it. That's all for today, students. Do your work and show it to me in the WhatsApp group. If you have completed your work, then show it to me in the WhatsApp group and get it checked by me. That's all for today, students. Your homework is learn the exercises A, B and C from the lesson 1, Nani's Walk to the Park. That's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.